How to fix Android system USB connector connected and disconnected error. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Vivian Basnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can fix Android system USB connected and disconnected error. Now if you're trying to connect to a charger or USB cable and it's gets connected and disconnected and you're getting the error, then what you want to do is you want to try and plug in some different charger, or you want to try a different USB. However, if you're still having the error, then what you want to do is you want to enable the USB debugging. Now to do so, what you can do is you can scroll down the notification bar, tap on the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen, scroll down and head into about phone and head into software information. Here what you want to do is you want to tap and multiple times on the build number, and it'll ask you to enable the developers mode. And once your developers mode is enabled, here you can see mine is already enabled, so it's not getting enabled. You want to tap on it and you want to head into it. On the search bar you can search in for USB debugging. Here you can see USB debugging. You want to tap on it and it'll take you to that option, and you want to enable it. And once you enable it, you want to go ahead and try connecting the USB again, and this might fix the issue. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.